The aim of this recording is to talk through how to adjust data within SPSS. This particular data set has three different groups. It has a control group, a group that receives some internal focus of attention training, and another group who received external focus of attention training. Participants completed two different balance tasks before and after those training interventions. In terms of setting the data set up, I've used 0, 1 and 2 for my different separate groups. Now what I'm looking to do here is to calculate the difference between pre and post scores. In order to do that with SPSS, you can use the transform menu and then compute variable. When setting up a new variable, you must follow the naming convention rules with SPSS. Remember that SPSS must be a whole word and start with a word. So what I'm going to look to do here is type in difference in completion time as my variable name. Now, because I want to have two separate words here, I'm using an underscore. Difference. Make sure I get my spellings correctly. Okay. Now, in order to calculate that difference, what I want to do is I want to add my first variable. I'm going to go with post minus pre. So double click on your variable and add that over. Type on the minus sign here on the keypad, and then double click again on the pre score. So my difference in time will equal post minus pre. Once you've done that, you can click on OK. Rather unhelpfully, SPSS takes you into an output window to tell you what you've just done in terms of syntax. However, if you come back to your main data menu, you actually get to see that the output is given here in terms of the calculation between the two variables. So if you're looking for a quick check in terms of the difference between the two different scores, 155 minus 114 equals a minus 59. So if you want to do anything in terms of calculating new variables within SPSS, use the transform and compute variable menu.